Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and we're going to be talking about the 590 series nose gear for planes weighing in between 6 and 12 pounds. So what we have is the full nose gear offering for the 590 series, and this is for planes between 6 and 12 pounds. This is the 592M for mechanical, 592P for pneumatic, or 592E for electric. Let's go ahead and just take the mechanical retract out of here. And now you can see the operation. This is a mechanical. You will set up a servo into the interior threaded rod. The follower does have an over center on top of the trunnion. I'll try to hold this in place. And so that's your lockout. So in the fully deployed position, these are 90-degree angles of deployment. It will completely lock out for a nice strong landing. These do come with a steering tiller, which is a pull-pull operation, and your pin for mounting your robo strut. This is available in a pneumatic or electric. Let's go ahead and just open up the electric one and run a quick operation on that so you can see how the electric gets operated. So again, just like the mechanical, the cam follower will go over the trunnion to lock it out. And then also in the retracted position, you get a nice solid retracted gear here. So if you have any further questions, give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a wonderful day.